Hi, this is Fedela from Anyhousecleaning. We already put the product Concrobium on the chair, scrub it, and let it sit, let it dry. This is old chairs, okay? Our purpose is not to paint it, it's not to sand it, it's to remove the mold that was on the chair. And hard to see because of the sun, but let's see, I can film this way. You cannot see any mold or any white mold. As I told you, these chairs are old, but it's already treated to prevent. We clean the cushion and I put outside in order to dry. It's almost, this cushion is dry already. So Vanessa was cleaning the house. And she's finished to do the kitchen. She already did the refrigerator and the stove. We already treat this shelf or this dresser with the Concrobium product. We already treat this table. It's drying. And we already cleaned the sofa. I'm gonna take some photos.